students, today is our SST period. So in this period we are going to read and study lesson number 10, environmental pollution. So in this chapter we have to read these types of pollution. First one is air pollution, second one is water pollution, third one is land or soil pollution, and fourth one is noise pollution. And along with these types we have to study about causes of these pollution. So causes of these pollutions are two. First one is natural and second one is human made. Yes, so let's start. Open page number 69, lesson number 10, environmental pollution. So our environmental consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. Over time, humans have carried out various activities to suit their needs that have caused changes in the environment. In doing so, humans have become the greatest threat to the environment. The harm causes to the environment is called pollution. There are four main types of pollution, as we know: air, water, land and noise. So first one, air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is called air pollution. Breathing polluted air causes diseases. Now causes of pollution: sandstorms, volcanic eruption, forest fires and pollen from plants and flowers are some natural causes of air pollution. Now the causes. The main causes of air pollution are some human-made factors, just like smoke from factories, vehicles, burning of fuels and firecrackers. ये अभी साउंड पॉल्यूशन भी हो रहा है, शायद आपको आवाज़ आ रही होगी. मेरे घर की मिक्सी चालू हो गई है. And air pollution is caused by both human-made and natural factors. Now it is very harmful and causes breathing problems. Air pollution also harms plants. Now next one is water pollution. When harmful substances are released into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Fresh water, salty water and groundwater can get polluted. Now causes of water pollution. So water pollution is also caused by human activities, just like dumping chemical waste from factories in water bodies, dumping household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies, bathing and washing clothes in rivers and lakes, leakage from oil tankers. And sometimes water pollution is caused by natural factors. For example, storms often causes soil and other particles to dissolve in water. This pollutes the water. It cannot be used for drinking and cooking. Now land or soil pollution. Land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into air. Now main causes of soil pollution are solid waste such as garbage, refuse from forest and agricultural, refuse from mines. Pollution makes soil infertile. It also harms the organism living in the soil. So जो कचरा गाड़ी आती है आपको उसी में कचरा फेंकना है, हर जगह कचरा नहीं फैलाना है. Now noise pollution. Excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is also called noise or sound pollution. Noise is harmful to all living things. It causes stress, irritation and can also lead to loss of hearing. जब क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हल्ला करते हैं तब ऐसा ही होता है, स्ट्रेस होता है, इरिटेशन होता है. The intensity of sound is measured in decibel. The softest sound we can hear is about 20 decibels. Any sound louder than 90 decibels is harmful. Now causes of noise pollution. So noise pollution is caused by car and bus horns and other horns of vehicles, loudspeakers and loud music, some appliances such as vacuum cleaner, washing machines, air conditioners and mixer grinders जो शायद अभी आपने आवाज़ सुनी हो. Then firecrackers means फटाके जो अभी आपने दिवाली में फोड़े थे. So damage to the environment affects us directly. We must do whatever we can to protect our environment. Controlling pollution is crucial for life to continue on this planet. So हम सब ठान लें कि हमको ये पॉल्यूशन नहीं फैलाना है. ओके, बाय.